Hello, my beloved students. Welcome back to our English class again. Alright, how are you today, everyone? Okay, I hope you are fine. Okay, so today I want to continue our lesson. So, this is the objective of our lesson today. So, after you finish watching this video, I hope you can read and understand the grammar. Alright? And another one, I want you all to copy the lesson in this video into your book and do the homework. So this is the objective of this video of the lesson. Alright, so let's go to our lesson today. So today I am going to teach you more about grammar. Let's talking about verb to be. So do you know what is verb to be, everyone? If we talk about verb to be, we are talking about am, is, and are, right? So am, is, are, we call verb to be, right? So am, what used with am? What subject that used with am? I, right? I am. No other subjects, right? Only I. I am a student or I am a teacher. Alright, so only I that use with am. How about is? Is we use with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Alright, and singular nouns. What are singular nouns? Singular noun is a noun that have only one. For example, a doctor, only one, right? One doctor. A cat, only one cat. So that's called singular nouns. Alright, how about are? We use with you, we, they, and plural nouns. Alright, do you know plural nouns? Plural nouns are a noun that have more than one. For example, two teachers or many students, so that's called plural nouns. Alright, so plural nouns we use with okay, so let's continue. So this we are going to talk about positive sentence. Alright, positive sentence. So if you talk about positive sentence, we talk about subject plus verb to be. Alright, plus verb to be and plus something more. Alright, for example, I am a I am a student. Alright, I am a student. So verb to be am, subject I. So why we use am here? Because of subject I, right? I am a student. Alright, he is a good man. He is a good man. Why we use is here? Because of subject he, right? So he, she, and it we use with is. Very good. We are friends. We are friends. Alright, so subject we plus verb to be are friends. Alright, we are friends. Alright, so this we call positive sentence. Dara is a seller. Dara is a seller. So Dara, why we use is here? Because of Dara is a singular noun, only one, right? Students are at school. So here why we use are? Because of students. Why we use are? Because of students with as. It means many students. So it's a plural noun. So plural noun we use with are, right? Okay, so now we talk about negative sentence. Alright, negative sentence. So negative sentence we use the same subjects plus verb to be and plus not. Alright, I am not at home. Alright, I am not at home. He is not my best friend. He is not my best friend. Alright, so he we use with is and plus not. Alright, We are not classmates. We are not classmates. Alright? So we, subject we use with are and plus not. Alright? Peter is not my brother. So Peter, why we use with is? It's the same to just now, Dara, right? So Peter is only one noun. It's a singular noun. So we use with is. Alright? So now let's go to the question. Alright? So question we have to use to be in front, alright? To be in front of subject. Alright? So let's go to see the example. Are you at home? So you see the verb to be are in front of the subject you. So question we use the verb to be in front of the subject. So other sentence like positive sentence and negative sentence, you see the subject and then you see the verb to be. But the question is different. You use the verb to be in front of subject. Alright? So are you at home? So why we use are? Because of subject you, right? So you we use with are. Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? So why we use is here? Because of subject she, right? So she we use with is. So is she a teacher? Alright. So verb in the question sentence you must have a question mark. Don't forget. If you don't put the question mark, it's not the question. Understand? Okay, let's see. Are they classmates? Are they classmates? So you ask, are they classmates? So this is the question. We use are because of they, right? Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? So you ask, is he a doctor? That's called verb to be, alright? In question. So this is homework. So later I will take a picture and send it to you, alright? So I hope you can do it and you can understand. So verb to be, fill in the blank with is, am, or are. For example, number 1, he is a teacher. So he we use with is, right? He is a teacher. How about number 2? They am, or they is, or they are. Right, very good. They are students, right? So they we use with are. So number 3, number 4 until number 20, I can you understand? I can do it. If you have any question, please let me know. Alright? So that's all about today's video, and I hope you can understand, and I hope you can do your homework, and please do it and send it to me by my personal Facebook account. Alright? So that's all. So let's say goodbye. See you next video.